Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and this is Luana, and for today's video guys, ako lang may ipakita diri sa Halsali Hill in Sugbong Kugon. Amo lang i-explore ang place where we have lunch here. And it's just a simple place, nature na nature kayo, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video guys. And please guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to ring the bell down below so you'll be notified for my future upload. And of course, please don't forget to give a like and comment down below for other places na you want me to go or you want me to share with you. Kiyaw kaysa ka pa na nung mag-YouTube. Bisig asa lang padulong because, well, this is my personal vlog. Anywhere I go, and anything that I do, i-share na ako sa inyo guys because you are my avid followers. Okay guys, enjoy the video!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Guys, welcome to Halsali Hill. It's a beautiful place here in Sugbong Kugon, overlooking the island of Camiguin. Island of Camiguin. Oh, it's kind of raining. Is it raining? Oh no, it's not raining. So, daghan kag makita diri guys. Daghan diri mga baboy. Ito raw. May baboy. Ay, asa baboy? Ito arang baboy. And they have a very big pool nga. Kung weekdays, ito ra, may pool. Kung weekdays, it's 150 for kids, 200 for senior citizen, and 250 for non-regular adult. While kung weekend, Saturday, Sunday, plus 50 lang. So, dagan ta makita diri. Tanawan ninyo, ha? Shanang! So, diba? Nice ang place. Kita nimo ang Isla sa Camiguin over there. So, great place. Mo siya gaulan or normal lang, diba? Later, dito tamu adto sa Cafe Maria, manginom tag kape. So, asa kong gaytudlo? Asa kong gaytudlo? Ato tag Cafe Maria para mga pe, of course, pero makaon ta kay murag gutom na pod. Nice, no? Kalingawan aning isa? Nasya gikalingawan. Remember, unsa dapat dumdumon? First things first. Si buhaton. Pagwapo. Kita. Diba? Nice lang pool guys. Look at. Ito lang, tanawon na lang nato diri. Ano siya? Ilang swimming pool area. Sila pool area. Napata diri sa kuan entrance nila. Naa sila pagsulod nimo. Naay mga naay pwesto verde pero di man ta maligo guys. No, dito man ta sa Cafe Maria atong tuyo. Nice ang lugar ba? Tanawa ra good. I just love the woodworks here. Ang ilang mga bangko. Naikwanda na guys. Oh. Tanawa gali inyo kita. Kana. Mga kanting. Ang tanawa ragod ninyo yung angkol. Lala. Oh, yung kuya. Nara akong sister. Yeah. No. Not sure. There you go. There you go guys. Na siya. Muna mo makita diri sa Halsali. Munang pagawas gid bitaw nimo guys ana oh. Wow, Camiguin Island. Diba? Sus. Lahi ni siya nga side sa Camiguin. Kung diri mo makita, mo lang mo makita pero kunya pagpalupad atog drone. Kita niyo grabe ka chada here. Diha nagpa-picture ang mga girl-losh oh, diha.
Itsuran ka ng Sugbong Kugon.
Asa na?
Kanang bibo ba? Kanang bibo sa ubos mo ka na.
You take this one tapos magnaog na ko.
Sige. Hi guys!
Hindi mo naman natron ako.
Oo, nautan. Sige. Sige na.
Kabot ko sa tunga-tunga. And then sa mag-stop ko rin.
Hantod na gyud ni sa ubos.
Okay na. May bawal na sapir. Sige, napamidiri sa doon.
Video yourself then.
Ano, ako na.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like it, comment down below, and you subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone! I hope you can come and visit here in Sugbong Kugon and visit Halsali Hill.